another Way to Wallet video. We hope everyone is feeling well and doing the best we can during these challenging times. But with restaurants reopening, we thought that there is a free resource that Way to Wallet has that would be invaluable, especially with restaurants having to reimagine their floor plans, table numbers, position numbers, all that sort of stuff to help servers function better, especially during these challenging times. And that is our free templates and uploading a flow chart to our system. And we're going to show you how to do that really easily. So if you click our free templates, there are 9 free templates. And the last one, the custom one, which allows you to upload anything you like. In this case, we're going to be uploading your floor chart, which hopefully you have redesigned to reflect your new layout of your restaurant. So you're just going to go and locate that floor chart on your computer, which I am having challenges doing. So you're just going to choose whatever editing software you use. We're going to use Preview. We're on a Mac, but Photoshop or any editing software would work. Once you locate that file, in this particular software, you're going to go to Tools, and you're going to go to Adjust Size. And here you can change the pixel dimensions of your floor chart, or anything that you really want, but in this case, your floor chart. And if you go to this template, under the instructions, you're going to see different pixel dimensions based on the version of Way to Wallet that you have. So you see currently, the width is 285, which is for the junior. We're going to just change this for the original Way to Wallet. So say you wanted to have this for the original Way to Wallet, you would just type in 366, and then it's because the width and height are linked, it's going to automatically change the height proportionately. In this case, it's exactly what we want because I think we made this for the original Way to Wallet. But if you made it, for example, the senior, you type in 405, it's going to adjust it to 422, which is a lot shorter than the 647 maximum height. Unfortunately, if you put in 647 here, it's going to make the Way to Wallet template too wide to fit the senior. So you're just going to have to choose the smallest dimension. But getting back to the original, we're going to go 366, hit OK, and it automatically resizes that image. We're going to hit Save. We're going to close that now, and then we're just going to click anywhere here. And it's going to open up a Finder window for you to locate the file on your computer and bring that into the system. You want to make sure that the template size reflects your version of the Way to Wallet. Here, we were doing the original Way to Wallet, and that's what we want selected, but if it was the junior, you would select that. And that's it. You're just going to hit Print, and our software is going to automatically generate a 4-up PDF with 4 of the templates perfectly sized for the original Way to Wallet. Then all you need to do is print this out, cut out the sheets, keep them in your server station, and when the servers come on board, they just highlight their station, stick it in their Way to Wallet, and they know exactly what their tables are. One thing that we've done on our mock-up here, which I think you may want to consider doing, is in addition to putting the forms for the tables, type in the table numbers there, and we recommend putting a dot where position 1 is. Also, it would be great to put an arrow in the direction that the server writes down position numbers. So if this is position number 1 and you're going clockwise, just have an arrow here facing in this direction so servers know how to proceed and take the table numbers. That's it. It's that easy. This is a really valuable tool at any time, but absolutely during this time of the coronavirus, when stations are going to have to be changed to enable social distancing. So please feel free to use this. We are open during this time, but may have diminished hours, but we will get back to people if you have any questions as soon as we can. Thanks so much. Be safe. Hopefully we can all get back to work and back to normal as soon as possible. Thanks so much, and again, be well.